You finished hooking, but there's still a lot of work to do to finish your rug hooking project. So what's the next step? Hi, I'm Amy from Doodle Dog Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to press your project after you finish hooking. Let's get started. After you finish hooking a piece, you want to steam it really well and then let it dry flat. So to do this, I put a pressing cloth down on my ironing board, and this is just a 100% cotton piece of fabric. It's an old sheet that I've torn into pieces for this purpose. And I put one underneath my project just in case some of the dyes from the wools bleed when they get damp. It's not likely to happen with this bunny, but it could happen if you have different, more vibrant colors. So I'm going to press it from the back first, and I'm going to press everything except this area here where I've got the proddy hook. I've got a second pressing cloth that I got damp with just water from this sink, tap water. I'm going to place it over the hooked rug. And I have my iron set at the wool setting. Press the iron down in one spot until it quits steaming, and then I'll move the iron to another spot. And you don't want to rub the iron around, you just want to press the iron down and hold it. Then over here I want to get close to the proddy hook tail but not on it. As you can see, it looks like I've got the entire bunny pressed now. So I'm going to then turn it over. I'm going to press the fabric around my hooked area. I used monk's cloth for this. Then I'm going to place my damp pressing cloth over the top of the bunny, and I'm going to use the same procedure. I'm just going to press down in one spot and then I'll move to another spot and just keep moving around until the entire hooked rug is pressed. After it is completely pressed, you just want to leave it set and let it completely dry, and then you can move on to finishing the project. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. Be sure to click the like button and subscribe below. I'll see you next time. Bye.